Hey guys, Scotty here. Going to be reviewing the Pecron 3000. 3,600 watts of power that you can pull out and a 3,072 watt hour of battery. So this is the new one that sort of everyone's leaning to. They're all going up around this 3,000 mark. 29 kgs, so 29 kilos. And you've got 415 amp plugs that can come out of it. Just a quick note, this is an Australian one. Doesn't have the 30 amp one plug like the American one. We've got 415s coming out of this one. So what else does it do? You can put 1,600 watts of solar coming into it. So, and you can have that up to 120 volts. So you can have a couple of house panels, makes it more affordable. Taking that up to 1,600 watts of solar panels coming in. You can also charge it from any AC, and it will pull 1,800 out. So it's pretty much going to charge in 2 hours. So 3,072 watt hours. It's a classes of 48 volt. Battery 51.2 is like the current sort of thing, and you can pretty much pull up to 3,600. So the good uses is for camping, have heaps of power for your fridges, do your air fryers, all that type of stuff. You can also do home backup, plug it into a fridge. Your fridge is only normally pull about 70 watts. So it's going to run it easy for a day, if your power's out for a day. So good to have around home. And then you can take it camping, RV type thing. So that caravan camping, home backup, really good. It's also going to be the most cost-effective dollar per watt. So really good on that. There's going to be nothing that competes. Pecron doesn't do all the spinning wheels and all that jazz. They just keep it pretty basic. Put it at a good unit at affordable price. So if that's what you're looking for, if you want the big name ones, go for the big name ones. But we've popped a few things in here. You've got the 12 volt. It's got up to 100 watt USB that can pull out of it. So all of those. So I've got the tablet plugged in. I've got the little mini fridge. I've got the bigger fridge plugged in, and it's pulling 65 watt. This little puppy only does 1 watt. Going to turn on the air fryer. So that will pop it up, and we'll also plug the kettle in. Kettle's going to pull about 2,000 watts. So that jumps up to 3,000. 3,000 watts, you're pulling out. So it's going to run, if everything's going like that, that's going to run that for 1 hour. Also, it's expandable. The expandable side comes in here. Everything else is on the front. So charging coming in, solar panels coming in. You've got all your 15 amp plugs, AC, DC. Great unit, all round. Bargain. We think that Pecron's a winner, backed by popular demand. Look on the little code. We'll give you a little code because you watch the video. We'll give you some more money to go off the Pecron. Come and see us. Grow energy. We're having batteries. Scotty and Pecron, we're out.